G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon in an air fryer. Crispy bacon. Doesn't take long, takes less than 10 minutes. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Alright guys, for this, pretty easy. For those of you who have not ever used an air fryer, this is going to be awesome. So for this particular recipe that I just sort of tinkered around and made it up, you turn your air fryer on. I put mine to 200 and then I just go down for 3 minutes and this will preheat it. So just preheat for 3 minutes, and when that has elapsed, we will proceed. Right, so after you've preheated for 3 minutes, take it out, and then we'll get the bacon. Place your bacon in there. You're supposed to lie it flat, not have any over the other, but I find it doesn't really matter because it's going to very quickly shrink. So you put that in there. I usually do it for about, not that mun. Yeah, I don't do it very mun. I do it for about 4 minutes at about 200 degrees. Well, not at about, at exactly 200 degrees Celsius. Take it out, then I turn it over and I do it for another 4 minutes. Now, depending on how you like your bacon, if you want it really crispy, do it for probably about 12, 13 minutes all up. But I like my bacon today a certain way. That's what I say. Maybe I'll do it 5. Just to be difficult. Oh, look at it, it's already looking good. Like, some people might want to have their bacon like this. I want it a bit more cooked, but this only took 5 minutes to get to this point with, no effort. So I'm going to turn it over, pop it back in for another 3 or 4 minutes, and that'll be done to the way I like it. Look at that bacon. Oh my flaming yumminess. Well, I hope you like this. Oh yeah. Mama said I like it, yeah. And let's try some of this one. So good. Holy, everything. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Oh.